Hello, welcome to behind the scenes for Blue Apron cooking videos. So we actually ended up renting a house. Since it's a sponsored video, we usually do our best, me and Daryl, to showcase it in the best possible way. So we usually rent out houses just for their kitchens, just to showcase it in the best possible way. It's a gorgeous area right here. You'll probably see it more in the video.
Little house across the way.
Yeah, that looks like a winery.
Yeah.
Gorgeous country here. Okay. Oh, is this Hillary Clinton? Oh wow. So the owner told us that this used to be a museum of some kind. I'm not sure how that works, to be honest. Oh, interesting. They're very Hindu, it seems. That's pretty cool. Okay, beautiful spot. It's a shame you're not going to see the chandelier in the video, probably. This is going to be too high for a video. Definitely going to rock in this chair. So my plan is to you looking at me from here onto here, kind of like this, as we're having our meal. Wow, it's going to be a lot of echo, isn't it? So now we're walking in the kitchen. Oh man. Look at that view. That's basically why we rented this house, is because of this kitchen. And just how gorgeous the view is. I think, again, I'm gonna probably stand somehow like this with the box. Either this way or this way, I'm not sure yet. And then I'm gonna do cooking here as well. So you'll get a little bit of light. We were hoping for sunlight or maybe even the sunset. I'm guessing because how cloudy it is, we might not get that. So this is the other side. And this is a sitting area. Oh my God, look at that chair. Oh man, it's leather too. I'm sitting in it. Yeah, buddy. I feel like a president. What is this? Why is this like the most precious thing ever? Is this a helmet? Wow, it is a helmet. Oh my God, look at this amethyst. This is just too good to be true. It's only one bedroom, surprisingly. For this huge house, it's just one bedroom. A haunting owl lamp. It's looking deep inside your soul. Oh my God, that's creepy. And here's me, all fluffy. This is the area for mother and child. I think it's a rattle for the baby, but to be honest, this is going to be my makeup station. Okay, so we're gonna start setting up in a second to make sure that we make everything on time. It's almost 3 p.m. Our check-in was at 3, so we just got here. And we're gonna catch the sunset because I'm hoping to capture it in the video. Okay, so I hope you will enjoy this video. Also, do you think we should close the windows there or not?
I mean, don't you want some air?
Hungry, angry woman is trying to be relaxing. So, big chested girls' problems. That the chest is nice, but what you get is this stuff, where you literally almost lose consciousness because of how tight the straps are. So we just finished recording Blue Apron video. and we're just exhausted. We've been recording from 3 until
It's 8:30, almost
8:30
9.
right now.
So about
Almost
6
9
hours.
o'clock. So about 6 hours we were recording one video. It's probably gonna be like 20 minutes long, of course.
It turned out great.
Yes, we end up actually tasting it though. There's a lot of echo. That's gonna be
It's
like
a huge room. That's
it's
why.
a huge room. Yeah, I mean I showed it to you before. So the interesting thing now that we're finished with the video, now we're gonna eat it. We realized that there is no TV in the whole house, in the woods.
That's the best part.
There's no TV. And that's when it kind of sinks in that it's 9 p.m. You can't go outside because you probably might become somebody else's food. Because it's like in the woods, deep inside in the woods. So
We're on a big hill.
we just might have to like talk. It's not something couples do, you know. I'm just kidding. Yeah, we're just probably gonna play some games or something. It'll be fun. Or probably we'll pass out because I'm seriously like barely standing. Okay, I'll stop complaining. It was a fun video to make. We're excited to eat the food.
Mm-hmm.
Don't worry, but that's not all wine. I mixed mine with water. So yes, cheers to one of them. Here's to day 2 now.
Turned out good. Good job. You did a great job. You persevered.
So we're sitting outside now watching the full moon.
Yeah, I thought I saw her coyotes with them too. That was...
Oh my god. Holy shit, it's like a gang. Isn't it? Should I go inside? Holy shit, man. So your girl yesterday had a little too much drink of wine. So I'm a little hungover, surprisingly. But I'll do better today. Now we're going for a hike. We're gonna take you with us too. Very cool rock right here too. All of them are so different. The Curious Case of Maria. A little curious girl. How can I ever go past this stuff, you guys? I really want to pick up and carry all of these with me home. But Daryl would not allow me. That's too many rocks. Look at that squirrel. He looks very unique. And he's so cute. Wanted to walk with you here because it looked so whimsical here. This whole path right here. Doesn't it look amazing? Oh my gosh. Let's get to the water. God, some of these rocks are just incredible. They literally, look how many different deposits it has. And different discolorations. That looks amazing. I like it. Oh my goodness, look how much just standing water. Look at this. This is a cat. This is a huge cat. So now we're really scared because it looks like he or she were just here like this morning. And it's a pretty big kitty. Let's walk the school bridge. Ooh, little bridge.
Great hike.
I know, incredible hike. $5 worth it. And nutritional value of every of each meal. Your hair looks very good. I mean, how does mine look?
Mine looks great.
Okay, so this is day 2 of Blue Apron reporting. We actually did most of the video, to be honest. Sorry we didn't show you stuff. We worked for a few hours again, waiting for things to be cooked in the stove so we can finish everything up. But that's another trick I didn't show you guys last time. This is what we decided to do with lights now to create more like a shadow box effect. So this is actually a sock.
Daryl's stinky sock.
No, it's not stinky. So it basically creates a more diluted light, which I enjoy, because with it off, you'll see how much brighter it is, and it's much more a spot. But with the sock one, it's just much more smooth.
It sure doesn't suck.
So we have some of the ingredients still here, because I'm gonna make the salad after this, and then potatoes, and it looks like a mess in the back. Look at it, just we're gonna record it in this room, the final view. I'm gonna sit right here, right in front of the fireplace. Some lights, but we're not ready for that shot yet. So I just wanted to show you a little bit here too, because I kind of forgot to do behind the scenes for this one. So this is like the longest vlog of behind the scenes in the like life of the vlogs of behind the scenes. What? Anyway, so thank you for watching it. I hope you enjoyed it. It was a lot of fun for us to make, and a lot of work for us to make, but still worth it every minute. Okay.
So this is the final shot. Somebody is hungry and tired, and they're looking like it. But this does look pretty awesome.
It's getting cold now.
It is. Okay, let's eat. Finish up.
So we're getting ready to sleep. We totally just packed up all of our stuff to make sure that we just leave early in the morning tomorrow, because we just found out that this area is actually controlled by a cult group. It's like fellowship or something, like different certain type of community, and it's like led by this weird person. So we kind of got freaked out that we're staying in their house. I think that's why there's no TV in this house, and that's why everything is this type of flavor. Are you scared, Daryl?
I'm a little scared. It's not too bad. It's just, I wish we would have known before we rented the place.
Yeah.
It's a little discerning.
Yeah, for sure.
Again, you only can believe so much. So maybe some of that stuff is just, maybe they're just a little bit out there.
Yeah.
Let's hope so.
Yeah, but when we read, it wasn't a fun thing.
Other than that, it's a nice place, but that is kind of weird information to find out afterwards.
Yeah. And we try to keep an open mind usually about these kind of situations, but again, it does sound like it's one of those occult kind of weird religious
right across from
groups that are like very close knit, so we're like surrounded by them.
Yeah.
And it's fine. It's just a little weird. It's just also you're like in the mountains, and if your Wi-Fi goes out, you have like no access to outside world.
Yeah, it is a little bit different.
So anyway,
I mean, it's still, it's been a nice place. Nothing bad has happened, so we should take it.
For sure. The highlight of this video right now is the bathroom, because that's the only thing that's actually in the freaking focus right now. Not your face, not my face.
It's all done.
The John right there. Johnny.
There it comes.
I know, right?
Yeah, it's the other camera.
Okay, so it was a great day today. We accomplished everything we wanted to accomplish. We went on a great hike for a couple of miles, and we finished the video from start to finish. Worked on it basically the whole day. So now we're just gonna sleep and then get the freak out of here early in the morning.
Yeah, hopefully sleep.
Yes. Okay. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this very interesting behind the scenes, but vlog mostly still. Okay. Bye.